Hi guys, welcome to Scenario Fred. In this video, I want to quickly show you the two trades I've taken this week. Today is Thursday already, so I've only been able to catch two trades for the week, and I don't know, maybe let's say that it actually failed, but yeah, I still want to share. So I'm going to be doing this video for XAUUSD and GBPJPY because they are just two trades, right? So let's dive into it. Let's start with the XAUUSD. Okay, so XAUUSD XAUUSD has been running crazy for days now, or for weeks now. All right, so this is the daily time frame. I want to show you something. I think I already mentioned how price broke above the daily time frame range, and ever since it broke above it, it just kept moving. This is a lot of move. You can see how long it is on the daily time frame. I'm sure you won't be able to imagine how long it is on the other time frames, the other lower time frames. So price has just been rallying very high non-stop. It has been rallying very high non-stop. I've been able to explain in my previous video how I was able to get trades from this particular order block here, all right, and then other subsequent moves from this pair. So yesterday, I think it was day before yesterday, I was trying to find an opportunity in it because it's been moving high. I already knew that it was overbought. I've been waiting for it to at least give a little correctional movement, probably react from any zone, a breaker, an order block or mitigation, but it just keeps rallying high. I've been waiting for at least a little bit of confirmation, right, so that I will be able to take a trade on it. It's not been easy, to be honest, because price has just been moving non-stop. Though some people caught trades. I can't lie on that one. Some people caught trades. You know, people work with different strategies. So something that will give other people, something that other people will see set up on, you most likely not see. All right. So because of your own strategy. So after this trade I had here, after this last trade I had here, price pulled back into this FVG and then it continued its bullish movement. After I reacted from the FVG, you can see, I think this 1 hour order block. I think that's the next place is reacted from. Let me go to 1 hour. Okay. After I reacted from the FVG, after price reacted from this FVG, like I showed you on the 4-hour time frame, price went again. All right, this is a huge buy here that I did not take advantage of, and then it came back right into this place. Now this place, I don't know, I think is a cool setup on the 15 minutes. Yeah, so I just knew, since it kept moving high, anytime price is moving high in that manner without coming back or creating so much opportunity as it's moving, it's now easier to make use of the lower time frame, that is the 15 minutes or the 5 minutes. So I've waited, you can see price kept moving, creating little to no opportunity. So finally I caught one. Finally I caught one, which is this. All right, with my normal setup. Now some people, I noticed that a few people caught this trade from here after price came, swept this zone, right? It grabbed the liquidity and then it went. Some people caught this trade, but as a structure and liquidity trader, I trade structure and liquidity. I had to wait for it to give me a complete setup. So when price created this structure shift, gave me an inducement, all right, I waited. Remember, it already swept something. The strategy is a sweep, structure shift to the opposite side, inducement, all right, then POI, point of interest. All right, so the moment price swept, gave me a structure shift, gave me an inducement, I just knew that I'm going to wait for it to come back to this zone. So I put my position 2, and you see price came right into it. Okay, it came right into it. You see how easily it respected it twice, even with this hammer. this hammer here, and then it still came again. I almost thought it was going to disrespect it, but it didn't. All right, although I was skeptical about this particular trade, and the reason I was skeptical about it is the fact that price already overbought. All right, you see how price, you see the level price started buying from the moment it broke out from that daily time frame range. You see how far it has moved. So all the while I've been scared to take any setup, because I just know that somehow price is supposed to at least correct. This is a pure premium level, which makes it a very risky trade. So I was wary of this particular trade. I was very wary of it. All right, so price tapped in, respected it, because of course it's an order block. It's always respected before it disrespects it, kind of. That's one thing I think I've also noticed. Yeah, because when you're trading, there's this thing, you want to be paying attention to patterns and see how much it repeats itself. All right, and that's what technical analysis is all about. As a technicalist, you want to believe that price will always repeat its past movement. All right, price always repeats its past movement. So I think I've noticed it happen repeatedly. All right, before price even disrespects, it always shows you that yes, this is really another block. It will first of all respect it. So I was expecting my take profit at this high or this high, which I put my position to here, but on my MetaTrader I was expecting somewhere around here. All right, so I was also very skeptical, like I said, for price to take out that high after creating this very high. It's I don't know, the chances. All right, so I held on to the trade. You see the trade moved almost to target, it moved almost to target, because on my MetaTrader the target was here. So it moved very close to target, and I wanted to go to bed. So I just thought I should break even, being that I am not so confident. It has moved past my entry, okay, but I still broke even. I woke up and got the biggest surprise of my life. What, I don't know, nothing prepared me for this level of dip. I just came and I noticed that it had taken me out. I woke up to check my trade. I noticed that it had taken me out. If I had left it open, it would have swept even my SL. All right, so that is the most important thing in trading, is to protect your capital, so that you will still be able to, you'll still be able to feature on the subsequent trades ahead. But if you lose everything at once, when it's time, you will probably see a better setup. You will not have anything to use and trade it. So of course, price took me out, and oh wow, this is something I've been expecting it to do since. It did not do it though. But the moment I say, okay, instead of me to be missing out on moves, let me take advantage of it. Now, so price, I don't know, price just started. You now remember to sell, and that day, being yesterday, there was a news, FOMC. Yeah, so price, let me show you where price reacted from when it took me out. I think it's on the 1 hour. Yeah, it's on the 1 hour. So price reacted from the this very zone. Okay, I don't know the reason why it reacted from here, because I don't see any serious this thing. So yeah, I don't, maybe some people set up, they were able to find, but for me, no, I don't know the reason it reacted from here, because it does not even align to my setup or align with my setup. Yeah, so it went, of course, you see it took out that very high. It later went to the same direction, straight to my take profit and beyond it, and then it continued selling. Now I don't know why it's trying to buy from here. Is this a proper buy? I've not been able to analyze my chart this morning. So yeah, that was how the setup I managed to get on good failed. It failed woefully. Yeah, so another one was on GBPJPY. I was also very skeptical about this, because it was also, that setup was resting on the resistance as well. It's been long price got since my previous trade. Price has been on the resistance, and I've been waiting for it to break above that resistance for real. All right, and it did. The moment it broke above that resistance, like I said, I would expect it to come and find support on that resistance, which it did. Okay, and I got this set up again on the 15 minutes. I got this set up on the 15 minutes. You can see the same strategy. I got a sweep, structure shift to the opposite side, and inducement. All right, and I waited for price came back right into that inducement. So the point where it was supposed to, get to take profit level, you can see it was almost at my target. It was very much almost at my target. All right, here, see, it got on my target. This is the target, so it came really very close, and then nothing prepared me again for this massive dip. It started selling. It started selling for reasons best known to it. Okay, and funny enough, after selling, it's still trying to buy again. So you can see, all right. So price reacted. It reacted from this zone again. Reacted from, maybe there's a hidden block here. I'm not sure. Reacted, and then it's been buying since then. I don't know the capacity or the ability or the chances of it taking out this high. I don't know, but yeah, I'm still watching it. So you see that price respected my both. These are both similar trades, the one on XAUUSD and the one here. They are similar trades. So I'm just wondering why price failed it. But price failed it for obvious reasons. They are all resting on what? On premium zones. However, these premium zones have already actually been turned support zones. So this is price doing its thing. I don't know if it's because of the news or what. The level was supposed to be purely respected, but of course it almost got there and then it came down back again. All right, and reacting from this zone. Let's see something on the daily time frame. All right, the 4 hour. I don't know. So yeah, I mark this because somehow I'm expecting price. If price cannot really move above, I don't know. So see, the previous setup, remember this is the previous setup. So since then I've not taken any other one because this is a premium zone and price managed to get to my take profit targets on that previous trade. So I've been waiting for price to break above completely this resistance and find support on this resistance before I will know that okay, this is due for a proper buy continuation. All right, but of course it broke out. It did with this candle. It did with this candle. So that was why I even cut a setup. So despite waiting for it to break above before I continue my buys, it still took me out, all right, and still buying again. All right. So definitely price is still very much bullish. We can't say it's bearish because it has not given any confirmation for us to say that, oh, this is a change of character. It's just on a premium zone which it has already broken out of and currently has found support in it. So officially we are going to also continue our buy continuations on GBPJPY, and for XAUUSD, I think we should also be expecting, right? So yeah, that was how I caught the two trades for the week. Yeah, and they behaved alike. The two trades behaved alike. Very funny, but yeah, that's why I also thought to share. Okay, and I know that I don't know if you got anything out of this video, but the idea was just to share with you, and I'm sure you got something. Please share this video with other people, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to on your notification to be able to get my alerts for each time I drop new videos. Until then, we'll see you next time. Bye for now.